So coming to today's program, again, something very interesting, really looking forward to it. So as you all know, music and mantras are part of ancient Indian civilization. So where lies the music, there lies the mantras. Music has the power to heal our soul, and mantras have the power to purify the soul. When we sing a song, it penetrates deep into our mind and soul. This creates a calming effect on our souls. And when we chant a mantra, the idea and power behind the mantra permeates our subconsciousness and brings us closer to understanding the unified whole of the existence. So, to discuss more about this beautiful and calming experience, we have brought for you a very amazing evening filled with the power of mantras and music, a show which has specially been curated by city book leaders. And to take this event further, we have with us Vidushi Rajan Shankar. So just to let you know a little more, good evening to you and a very warm welcome. So Vidushi ji has many decades of experience as a classical music instructor and therapist, employing Indian classical music in primary, supplementary, and alternative therapy. Her research also underscores the fact that traditional music therapy and its practice has been rooted in Vedic time. She believes Indian holistic intervention practices address the whole person, including their physical, mental, and emotional health. She's also the author of a book, The Healing Power of Indian Ragas. The book offers curated personal experiences of working in multidisciplinary collaborative environment, including medical, psychology, rehabilitation, and special education professionals, and also has an insight into the author's extensive understanding about the importance of sounds and the nuances in Indian classical music and their employment in wellness, healing, and curative education. So with multilingual capabilities of English, Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu, Vidushi ji has conducted national and international workshops, including EMTC, that is 2010 European Music Therapy Congress at Cadiz, Spain, and WFMT 2011 World Congress of Music Therapy at Seoul, South Korea. With that, Rajan ji, a very warm welcome to you to Mo TV, and really an honor and pleasure to have you with us, speaking to all the elders here. And I'm sure that this is going to be a very special evening with you because you're combining both the favorite things for all of them here. So over to you.
Dear friends, namaskar. So welcome to the experience, to the magic of mantras and music, as it says. And we all are aware of what mantras are and what music. But sometimes the relation between the vibration or a frequency coming with the music or mantras to our body, all the levels, like what we say, the physical body, emotional body, and mental body. It's something unique. And my research and my experience for more than 40 decades, I'm into music, and 20 years into music therapy practice, along with the team of doctors. And in fact, many of them are taking training from me at present. And so coming to human body, I would like to share my screen. Okay. So, as it says, music doesn't get in. Music is already in. Music simply uncovers what is there, makes you feel emotions that you didn't necessarily know that you had. inside you and runs around, waking them all up, a rebirth of sorts. That's what music does. And as I told that, as you can read this, human body is a storehouse of various frequencies and resonance. The frequency which are coming when we hear sound, through sound, emotions, our own breathing, movements, and all these things are many more things which are each giving a different kind of vibrations and frequencies it produces in our body, which you are not aware of unless we get deep into that to understand. Somewhere some disturbances come. So before we I had to make you understand that each one of these, the sound waves or the vibrations or emotions and movements, what it is coming, it is connecting to the Sukshma Sharira and the Sthula Sharira. Sukshma Sharira, you must all be aware of, where we have that inner body, inner soul, and the chakras connecting to the energy centers. And the Sthula Sharira is what our physical body is. Here, I want to mention that music actually comes from our soul. The music comes from our soul. And the rhythm and the lyrics get connected to the music from the brain, because our left brain and right brain do that job. And the physical body adds the essence of emotion, what at that time the physical body is feeling, going through. Whether it is a happy, whether it is a sad, whatever we are feeling, that emotion, the essence of emotion is added to the music which is coming out of our body. And we have to respect that. That's what I always feel, that sometimes when we are feeling, even though it may be that not time for chai peene ka time nahi hoga, फिर भी the body says, chalo ek cup chai ho jaye, ya ek cup coffee ho jaye. So even though it may not be time, but we listen to our urge which is coming, and we do that. We drink, make a coffee or tea or something, and we have it. Similarly, our body too urges, I want to listen to this at this minute. The inner soul, our vibrations of which is coming from our body, it actually tells us we want to listen to this. And many of us has got the tendency to ignore it. But same time, I have found many of them, they start gungunate. अगर अकेले बैठे हैं तो सब ऐसे लगता है, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी. I have seen many of my friends, जैसे वो बाहर आते हैं, it's open area, a lot of greenery and all this thing. So this comes out of them. I said, sing it, whatever way. They said that, no, I'm feeling shy of singing. I said, no, don't do that. Whatever is the feel, like you feel like having coffee or tea at any time of the day, whatever time of the day, you just sing whatever comes out of your mind. Don't bother about the tune or something. It automatically comes. And just before going more deep about what I want to say, I want to give a little bit of introduction to what earlier days, I mean Vedic period, where the music is actually originated. Vedic period, the music intervention was more. Three things which were actually involved in that. One is Ayurveda, which we are all familiar with, treating with herbs and jadi booty, jo bhi kuch mila, and jisse jo sharir ke liye chahiye us samay par. Second is Jyotisham. I myself is a Vedic astrology, masters in Vedic astrology, and a lot of people, they contact me, and I'm more into medical astrology, not in regular astrology. I believe in more medical astrology. And the third is what we say, that Nada Anusandhana. And why this Jyotisham? 24 hours, our body is not the same. As a student, you might have felt it. Sometimes your body is, ready to memorize or by heart or something, maybe very early in the morning or very late in the night or sometimes in the afternoon. So even though maybe your bhai bhan will say, no, tum utho savere 3 baje utke padho, mujhe to dophar ko chalta hai ya late night chalta hai. So every individual has a time in their body where it actually, the mind and the brain, the body and everything cooperates and whatever happens, they absorb. That is where the Jyotisham was into practice when they were during Vedic period. It was being, the intervention used to have to be happen. So they used to select the column, what we call as a column, a period when the body is ready to respond for the treatment or intervention. And then they have this Nada Anusandhana. And that is what I want to. So Nada Anusandhana is what my current practice of my music therapy. And this is what they used to do those days. That we all are familiar with the 7 chakras, the major 7 chakras, or we say that energy centers. Each one of them had Bija Mantra. And from Bija Mantra, a resonance is evoked in the form of the Bija Mantra, and the rishis and tapasvis and yogis had the power to pass that through their fingers or their eyes for the healing purpose of the particular patient. Unfortunately, as centuries passed, the days are passed, we lost the tapasvi shakti or the yogic shakti and all. And as even now people are saying that, oh, I can use lam, ram, these are the things. I say, they use it as a word. Yeah, say lam, ram. But it cannot give that healing power what it was practiced during the Vedic period. Slowly as the days has passed, centuries passed. And lot of Lakshana Granthas, what it is connected with the music, they started mentioning that the musical, the 7 notes are not exactly the power of a Bija Mantra, but somewhere it can provide something. So that is at present my practice, evoking a resonant response from the energy centers in the human body to supplement and enhance the healing process. So these all of you must be familiar with the Mooladhara, Swadhisthana and Manipura Chakra, and Anahata at the heart, Vishuddhi at the neck, throat, Adya at the eyebrow, and Sahasrara. And here I have shown the musical notes connected with it. So the musical notes, how it helps at present I have seen. Each one of these, you can, if you are see, I can show you a bit more. Here. Some of them you can see they are having 4 petals. Some of them, this is Swadhisthana Chakra with 6 petals, Manipura Chakra with 10 petals, Anahata with 12. Here it is 16. So coming to the various, you can see here how it is even attached to the human body organs. So people don't understand the chakras. I tell them the organs, go by the organs. We all know where is the kidney. We all know where is the lung, where is the heart, all this. So and the glands, different glands. So when we evoke sound, the resonance from that particular place where you want the healing or to strengthen, it helps. Like if it is, for example, if I had to tell about the lungs, now it is very much needed at present. We are seeing that what the present lockdown, a lot of people are suffering with, breathing problem is there. Some people want to improve the stamina of the lungs, the breathing and all. So where is the lung? Lung is here. When we can see that it's in the Anahata Chakra. When we breathe in and evoke a sound, sound can be whatever is comfortable to you. It can be any mantra, it can be just a sound, or it can be as we use musical notes. Musical note will be ma. In fact, tell people that you think of your mother Janani. When you think about it, automatically the positive energy comes from within you. That helps you to stamina. Automatically that builds up this thing. So, breathe in, inhale, and when you are exhaling, here even I don't know whether you are able to see, it is in, I'm trying to, here, yes. So you can see the thyroid, and here in between is the thymus gland, which is connected to the between the Anahata chakra and Vishuddhi chakra. And at present, we have to strengthen that, because thymus gland is what is connected to the immunity, strengthening the immunity. Keeping your hand here, if you can feel it, and evoke a sound. It can be even chanting, like the best chant of Omkara. Om. Om. Let the will be little more. So it just to start, and longer. It produces more vibration, and it is medically proved that when the inner organs are vibrated, automatically their activity improves. Like if our hands are rigid, we keep on doing this. There is a hand shoulder movement. It means walking. It improves our circulation. Similarly, how do we improve our inner organs? How do we give exercise to our inner organs? We cannot put our hand inside and do this action to our inner stomach or heart or anything. This is the only way. When you are inhaling, fill that organ wherever you want it to be strengthened, and exhale. And exhaling using a sound, even if it is singing, you want to sing anything, as I told you, you want to just sing a tune. Early morning, singing this is Alvela Sajana Ghar Aayo Re Alvela. This is a morning raga. When you are listening early morning, either listening to this, or when you yourself is practicing, like Omkara or in Akara or whatever, if you want to have that tune, just allow that song to be played, the raga to be played, sing along, hum along with it. That itself improves the strengthening, improves the lung and cardiac. So this is where the early morning, we have categories of early morning ragas, but people don't understand what way it helps. In fact, most of the early morning raga helps with the apana vayu, which helps the excretory system to detox yourself. And these morning ragas, the combination of the swaras are in such a way that it actually helps the body to detox very easily. That is why there is a lot of science in what we had the earlier practices, and the practice actually they used to follow, because not much of medicine intervention was there, medical intervention. But now we are just depending upon, if suppose there is a problem with your detox, immediately we look for some immediate relief from a medicine or anything, but not necessarily. You've got enough sound you can produce from your lower part of your body, where it is, and you can just go down. If you have to this, we all know where is the excretory system. It's above the Mooladhara. Just, you can go there, pull in your inhale, go down that place, and keep your hand on your lower part of the belly. Exhale, and you see the difference. In fact, one of the orthopedic doctor whom I know, he is a surgeon, and he was saying that when he has done surgery to the patients, especially from the lower part of their body, and they cannot move for 21 days, and they have this problem. Early morning, they cannot pass because there is not much of movement. So how long they'll be giving the medicine to detox? Early morning, they have to do with their excretory system activities. So he actually did this. He asked them to do that, because when we also think about it, we put the pressure to take it out. Is this a senior citizens problem. I am also senior, I am nearing 70. So I know this is often a problem people suffer with. So we put a pressure from upper part of our body. Instead of that, you make it as a raga. Actually, this sound process of coming down, if you understand music, it is ma, re, sa. These are the things which actually helps. And he was saying that my whole ward, patient's ward, is sabere sabere goonj rahi hai omkar se, and they are loving it, and the work is also done. In fact, there was another senior citizen who all the time had tu mai with his wife. So he, maybe that tension and the worries were giving him the problem. I don't know. He was saying, ma'am, I need to get rid of this because every second day I had to use some medicine or this thing to get relief. I said, okay, what is your wife's name? He said, Leelavati. I said, okay. Inhale, exhale. Keep your hand at the lower part of your belly. Understand where the large intestine and the rectum is. Just inhale as much as possible. Pull it out in the form of exhale, sound. Take your wife's name. He said, okay, it works. Leelavati. And he did it every day. He was doing 5 to 6 times. Wife was super happy. Early morning, my husband is calling my name with so much of feeling. And that was, his work is done. BB is happy. What else needed? Actually, this is the effect of the sound. I'm giving an example, but this was an effect of the sound. So when we evoke sound in the exhale form, it actually vibrates that particular organ or that particular set of organs which come under that chakra. And when you are doing exhale, it helps in bringing out more negativity what is there. So now, for even sound or music, when I wanted to talk about, when we sad, we are happy, we are having a party at home. Effect of the sound, I'm telling you, the mood. Then we are having party at home, we are having dinchik na, nagada, 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 baja, or das bahane karke le gaya dil, le gaya dil. You are dancing. Suddenly there is a phone call, which is giving you something which is very unfortunate, some news coming. The same sound which you are enjoying a minute before started, it becomes like a poison to your ears. You start hating it. You'll say, no, please, you will scream, shut that music down. Because there is a lot of chemical change happened in your body because of that news. At that time, you need something, some sound or some sad sound, some sad music, which may synchronize with your vibration coming out of your body due to the news what you heard. That's why always I say the emotion, what we are having, it actually gets manifested into mood. We say sad mood, we say happy mood. This is a manifestation of our emotions. जैसे भाव जो जगते हैं वो रस बन के बाहर निकलते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं नवरसा. ये नवरसा is connected to this, and we have got our Indian music is full of various rasas, whether it's a Shringara rasa, whether it is a sad song. आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें. Automatically, romance. चंदन सबदन चंचल चितवन. Automatically, so much of emotion, it actually happens inside your body. Now, to keep yourself in a general health, in a wellness program, as I wanted to talk about, you can see the various chakras and connected organs in my, what I'm showing in this video, especially the Mooladhara. As it says, it is the Adhara, that is the part which has to be strong in our body so that the whole body system balancing happens. And when we, and there is every, as I was saying, that every chakra has got petals. This Mooladhara, if I have to saw meditation, yoga, Brahmananda, all these are connected to that. So we want to strengthen. Where it is, it's in the pelvic region. Just go down up to that. Inhale and say, little above is your Swadhisthana chakra, where you have the Jala Tattvam and organs connected to it, like kidneys, urinary bladder. And you want to improve the functioning of all these things, which actually with the age, it comes down, yes. But we have to, whatever it is condition, we want to hold it in a better way. Just keep your hand little above. Or it can be Om. You want it to be little longer. Om Namah Shivaya. Or any song if you feel like. Absolutely no problem. The only what we want to do is to evoke a resonance from that place. Next comes the Manipura chakra, which is around your digestive system. You want to improve the activities of your organs related to digestion. Very easy to, you can inhale, keep your hand on your navi. When you are inhaling, automatically the hand will go up. Then you do, it is actually hand will go up. That means you are touched. And when you are exhaling, that time automatically your hand will get pulled in. This is how you can, this can be, as I told you, whatever is you want to chant, you want to use, you can use even the music. Next comes the Anahata chakra to improve your functioning of your lungs and heart, cardiac, especially the circulation you want to improve. Keep your hand on your Anahata chakra, which is around the heart place, you know where it is, and inhale. Longer you sustain in a comfortably, whatever you can sustain, that vibration actually improves the heart condition and the lungs, which is very necessary for us to keep us in. Here comes the Vishuddhi chakra, vocal cords, thyroid glands, the salivary glands, all neck portion. So, then comes the Agya chakra, which is connected to the three doshas, Pitta, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and also Rajasic, Tamasic, and Sattvic. These are connected and also vibrating. This is so necessary because the master glands, the pituitary and pineal glands, you can see, that gets the vibration which is necessary for it activate its activation to be, it is whatever is the purpose, its work, whatever it is, that has to be activated and keep it in a good condition. So, here comes the last one, Sahasrara. You all can try along with me now to feel. I want you to all to just go through and feel it. Keep the center of your palm in just middle of your head and try to match my voice, and you see that how much vibration you are able. This is the easiest way to understand the vibration, which how you are vibrating your brain cells to keep you away from dementia and getting into other brain related problems, memory, concentration, focus, which is normally gets affected as we get older. You please keep your hand on your head and try it out. You see how much it makes the difference. Kindly try to match your voice along with me. You will feel it. I'm sure many of you would have felt the vibration in a palm, and this is how, when you keep your brain activities in a healthy condition after certain age. And this I have worked with people who are at the early stage of dementia, and they just came out of it. They didn't go deep into it. So this is where we have to be, as a lot of things. And even when I'm thinking and talking about the mantras, especially here, I want to mention about the Vishuddhi Chakra. Vishuddhi Chakra, which is at the neck. If you think our body as into three parts, the lower limbs, the middle body, and the upper part above the neck, there are two junctions. One is the pelvic center, one is near the neck. This both has to be in balance and aligned, like we have in music. Sa, wa, sa, wa, sa. This is how we fix our tune, our what we say, adharam for singing. Similarly, even our body needs to be balanced. So this junction and the lower part, pelvic, should be strong, aligned, and in a straight condition, strong condition, to balance the whole body. And here, as I told you, like here in Muladhara, we have various, only 4 petals. Here there are 16 petals, and there are 8 are connected to various mantras. The mantras, not necessary that it has to be connected to any religion. It's not. It is the way we are activating the various nervous ending, neuro ending, and the jaw, and various other
sorry, Rajan,
activity. Yeah.
Sorry, Rajan, I have a request.
Yeah.
If you can put the PPT down so that everyone can see you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you.
So when you are actually activating, this is, as I told you, 16 petals. Out of that, 8 are mantras, connected to the mantras. Not necessarily these mantras are connected to religion, any religion. No, they are only sound elements, which actually helps in activating the nerves, the various points of the jaw, our facial, our glands, all this helps. Next 7 are connected to the Saptasuras. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. And the 16th petal is connected to the Visham. Here, when I say Visham, immediately you think about the Neelakantha, where it is mentioned. It actually symbolizes Visham in our body is the negative thinking, negative emotion. Sometimes we hear from others and it gets into us, and that's all. All we can see, lot of things going inside, wrong inside us, the digestive system, everything gets affected. Always an emotion affects the body ailment, a body ailment, gets connected with the emotions. They are interconnected. If we are feeling depressed, immediately your system, when you are getting tension, you are getting stressed, automatically first thing goes is your excretory system and your digestive system. Both get affected. When you are having any, like constipation, I said, automatically you lose your concentration, irritation, or headache, everything we get. Always there is a connectivity to the upper part of the body and the lower part of the body. This is a single thing. So here, the Visham, what I was talking about, we should know how to, after certain age, there is no point in holding some grudge or something against somebody, which may, whether it is going to affect others by if we are using any words to bring it out. Whether it is going to hurt others or not, it is going to damage us, because it is coming from our lower part of our body, and it is coming all the way from lower part of body and coming out of our mouth. How much negative energy it is producing and how much it is affecting all over our body. So always I say that it should, if it is raising, hold it here. But if you hold it for a longer time, it is like a sadawa aloo. It will start decaying and you are going to get troubled by that. That also should not be. That's why always I say, when you are feeling angry, you are feeling disgusted, if somebody is saying something and it's hurting you very badly, best thing is just take it out in a private. Go cry if you want. If somebody can sing, whatever way you sing, just go to the mandir in your home house or go any corner of that. Just sing it out. Our best thing is that I say anger, dvesh, all these things actually increases the body heat, and which is very punishing. And that's only you don't know how to control that. That's why anger. Best thing is go to the bathroom, have a shower. It cools down. The Jalatattvam actually helps us to bring down. Why these people having that bathroom singing term? People are not very interested in singing outside, but they will sing very coolly in bathroom. Bathroom singing is nothing but subconsciously way your body is responding to the relaxation. Because when the body heats up, if there is a lot of dirt, opening the water, when it touches your body, that relaxes the tension caused by the emotion, stress, whatever you felt, or even tiredness. It actually relaxes the body, the tissues, the skin, the nerves, and automatically as a calming effect when it comes to your body. Subconsciously, you break into some singing, which you may not, under that, you may not think that I'm going to sing this. It comes out on its own. And I say, this is only you practice when you are having any negativity coming from bottom of your body. That's why when we are talking about the chakras and the petals, up to here, that is Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura Chakra, Anahata Chakra, lot of petals which are connected to many negative thinking like jealousy, greedy, anger, fear, anxiety, argumentative, cruelty, criticism, all these things are there. When it comes here, this chakra doesn't have any this thing. This is a Akasha Tattva. From here, we have to leave all these things. And how? If I had to give an example, you might have seen a lot of this pole jumping, people holding a long jump, they do. They run with a stick, holding a stick, a big pole. When they come to the borderline, they put the pole with a force down, slowly leave their hand, then only they can jump over the net. Same thing. The lower part of the body, what we are having is we are, as a grahastha from childhood, we are slowly bringing it up. We are having, we go through all criticism, cruelty, jealousy, desire, moha, maya, everything. But when we come to it, slowly we have to leave the hold, so that slowly the mantras and the swaras, all these things help us to leave that pole and take a big jump towards here, where we get more into spirituality as we are aging, so that we get the detachment. In fact, there is a Soman chakra here, at the back of here. If you want to know the place correctly, when आप जब साष्टांग नमस्कार करते हैं, जहाँ पर किसी का कोई महान, कोई माता पिता, किसी का भी जो हाथ यहाँ लगता है, this is the place. It never comes here. It comes here. और जहाँ पर हम लोग पंडित को लगाते हैं छोटी, वो, that is the place. So this is the place, Soman chakra, which is full of 16 positive 16 petals. And that gets, so when we are leaving the emotions here, and one of the petal here is the vairagya, detachment, and which is necessary to get connected to the Almighty. This is a Sahasrara, from where we have to go and get connectivity, the spirituality, the meditation. the phal, I mean, what we say, the fruit of what we want to achieve, what we are looking for, the Atma Shakti, whatever, at certain age, after certain age, we have to get into that. Sattvic guna, yahan par sattvic. We have to become more sattvic in our lifestyle, eating, food, everything. And here there are, as I told you, there are mantras, simple mantras, which is nothing to do with any religion. Like one of them, I'm not going deep into all of them because all of them I have given more details in my book. And one of the petal is Amrutam. Amrutam is a word. Many of us, if we get into our childhood, or even if you are having your grandchildren playing with them, you will see that when they are around 2.5 or 3, we play that imaginary motorcycle. What is the science behind it? When you are doing that, lot of vibration touches our inner brain. And usually we say medically also it's proved that by the time the child is 3 or 4, it absorbs, the brain growth is maximum. It catches anything, whether it's words, mannerisms, or rhymes, or talk, or whatever. That's why we have to be very careful, because their memory, that brain activity is super at that time. To improve that, in fact, what we play is actually the Rinkara helps the child, that brain cells, to be growing more healthier. Same thing at present. We need not do easy way. It is Amrutam. Amrutam. That if you keep, just do to yourself, you see how much vibration is happening within yourself, which is reaching you this thing. Any one of you now try and let me know how you feel. Do the for a longer duration. You see the effect and let me know, please. I want any one of you to unmute yourself and let me know whether really you are feeling it. Very good, very good.
आप पहले क्यों नहीं आए मैम?
How are you feeling when you're doing it?
Yes, we can feel sensations in the
You are feeling a sensation on top of the head.
at the top of the head. Fantastic.
This
Thank you.
Actually, this improves the brain activity. The glands are, healthy. It keeps the pituitary and master glands, which are controlling all the glands of our body. The master gland gets very good vibration, and the brain cells also, gets that whatever we need, the blood circulation, oxygen supply, everything improves. In fact, many of the Parkinson's patients and also dementia, I told them, instead of doing I told them Ram, because Mkara actually sustains the whatever vibration is produced, the resonance is produced inside, that by the word actually keeps it and allows that to circulate again and again, so that it actually helps the whole neck from here to here to be very good health, keep it in a good health. So I say that Ram, Ram. In fact, this is worked with a Parkinson's disease. A doctor who was affected by Parkinson's, he was 68 years old, improved him a lot. He started singing. I was very, very happy that, he said that I'm able to sing my favorite old song, Kuhu, Kuhu, Bole Koyaliya, Kuhu, Kuhu, Bole Koyaliya. with this song, his memory improved because he went back to his college days. He said that when this song, this was one of the popular songs which came in many languages. So he said that I went back to my college days, how I was, what all happened during college days. And that made him more, that, that healthy feeling, that gave him a, feel good factor. Whenever we think about our childhood, our Jawani ke din, automatically the child feel good factor automatically happens into us. Because always we see that, that like my boy, as I said, if you want to do koi baat nahi, we should always have that, childlike quality we should keep in us alive, whatever may be our age, because that sometimes they are so much healthy. Twinkle, twinkle, little star works like a Vedic chant. Always, I tell people when they are very much into tension, they want to get relief from them. I said, okay, just think, go only work with your bottom when you are below your tummy. That is Manipura Chakra. Haath wahan laga dijiye. Whatever comes to your mind, even if it is a twinkle, twinkle, little star, Vedic chants aata hai, no problem. Nahi aata hai, bilkul koi problem nahi hai. This is the easiest thing. Inhale. Each exhale, you say one word of the rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, try and see how much it really works. You know why this works when we are in depression or stress or worry or something? Because our mind is diverted. We just have a glass of water, sit in an open place when it's becoming too much for you to tolerate. Easiest thing is just sit in one place, concentrate in your breathing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If आपको कुछ और बोलना है, शांताकारम Bhujagashayana. That's also fine. Nahi aata hai, this is the best way, because Manipura Chakra, in Nadi Vaidya, Manipura Chakra only, the Nadi Vaidya, they touch around, because all the Nadis, everything has got a connected to our Manipura Chakra. That is the navel. Why? As a baby, when we were conceived by our parents, the first thing formed is the Mooladhara as a thought. It travels, comes to the uterus, in mother's uterus, and gets attached to the mother's uterus. That is the, what we say, umbilical cord. To the placenta, it gets attached. And once the attachment is happened, healthily, the baby grows healthy. As when it's growing, from there only all the organs, all the nadis, all the neuro, everything grows from there only. So that's why in Nadi Vaidya, even now, when I know that something is going wrong with I'm feeling somewhere some pain, I have to find out, but you also can do it. You lie flat, press your around your navi, millimeter by millimeter, ek ko press karte jaiye. Somewhere you will feel that it's little hard, or when you are pressing it, you are getting pain. You press it, you will get relief of whatever is causing you problem. This is what even people do with the oil treatment. They put oil in the navi and they do it. For small children, when they cry out of the gastric pain or something, we put the hing ka pani, wahi lagate hain. So that is how that hing ka pani actually gets into our nadi and relieves the pain. For us also, many of us, even elderly people, use the hing ka pani when there is a problem with your digestion, digestive system, if you are having the pain. So this is what. So Amrutam, actually when as I told you, Amrutam or Rama or anything, if you think about the Rinkara, if you are chanting and hearing this thing, you'll say, Om, Hrim, Krim, Brim. Lot of Rkara is there. Why it is there? Because the is the one which actually activates the memory, keeps the memory, because जो भी आप पंडित या पुरोहित किसी को भी बुलाते हैं, they won't keep on singing. It comes as a flow because they have this mantra shakti. Reem, cream, bream, bream. We do that as when we are doing the japa. What we are hearing because of the re. अगर आप वो सब की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, not that you have to go into this mantra and all. Just by doing ring, ram, amrutam, this you will feel the cheeks here, all that vibration happening. Here it is all going.
हम लोग शंख बजाते हैं ना,
Yes,
शंख बजाते हैं,
उसमें से भी green color निकलता है. That is what.
every day twice we just blow it for a long time. Because of the practice, we can blow it for a very long time.
Right, very correct. So these are the things, because that when you're doing the, and the whole vibration is coming from lower part of your body. It raises from here when you're doing ring, it's coming from lower. So the whole body gets the vibration and it spreads all over your body, activates the whole system. Starting from spinal cord के नीचे से शुरू होता है and it goes up to your spine, ऊपर तक. So your whole body, when it gets the vibration, you can imagine how much you are keeping your inner body healthy and in a good condition. This is small, simple things. So music aaya, nothing like that. If you don't know music, no problem. Mantras are there. And I am telling you, mantras, these Amritam has got nothing to do with any particular religion. It is the word Amrita. Ram is also not Rama. Don't think it's only connected to the Rama. It can be Ra. The R is what works with you. And closing your mouth sustains the vibration which is produced inside, and it keeps the whole cells, all the brain cells active. So these are some of and Anahata Chakra, as I told, that it helps in keeping the cardiac and the lungs, which are the vital organs of our body, which has to be healthy till our last breath. And we have to keep it, generally keep. So as I told you, it's very, very easy, because feeling our heart, our lungs place is very easy to आप कौन से भी माँ को याद कर लीजिए, अपनी माँ को, जगत माता को, या वैष्णवी माँ को, माँ संतोषी माता को. This is a very powerful, where it is actually, I have a lot of even doctors, cardiac doctors have started using this paddhati, as because I have this thing suggested to them. Yes, of course, who can sing? I said, yeah, Madhyama Purna jo bhi gana hai, like Kalyani, Yaman, it actually helps. Ye moha moha ke dhage teri ungliyon mein jaoge je. This is actually connected to Kalyani Raga, what we say in Carnatic music. It works with a Madhyama Swara, is much more stronger, and it helps. So as I told, even if you want to download certain, any download you want in a singing or in an instrument, or want to help you to with your chakras, I can give you, suggest to you what I was. Can I share again?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Just I'm going to one only one. See, you are saying, I am saying this one. Actually, the sa here is the C pitch. You can note down. Mooladhara works with the C pitch. Swadhisthana can help. You can see D pitch, E pitch with Manipura, F pitch with Madhyama, G pitch at Vishuddhi. This is A at Agya Chakra, and this is your B. Anywhere you want to be, helped in your downloads, type any instruments. Normally, up to from Mooladhara to Manipura Chakra, the string instruments like veena and sitar, not the violin. Veena, sitar, and santoor. Normally, you will find in C, D, and E pitch, tuned to C, D. And this actually, when you download and you listen to it, सुनते सुनते अपने आप भी हम करना शुरू करेंगे, क्योंकि आप डेली सुनोगे. Concentrating, सुनना ये नहीं कि just it's coming from to your ears and going from here. You concentrate on your lower part of body where you want the healing or the strengthening has to happen, so that tune, because normally, as I said, these are connected to the lower pitch. Lungs and agar cardiac ke agar isme to flute, F pitch. So you can download any Hari Prasad Chaurasia ka flute boliye, ya any like even what we say wind bansuri nahi, even what we say as a shehnai, all these things will be, you can find it in F pitch. नहीं तो गाना आप can sing, many आपको मिल जाएगा F pitch too, so that when you're keeping on listening to that in F pitch, 3-4 दिन के बाद अपने आप you will also start humming along with, आप गुनगुनाना शुरू करेंगे. That time you concentrate on your Anahata Chakra and sing along, so that it will help. Of course, with your thyroid and this thing is the G pitch. You can find it in violin, you can find any instrument, even Ghana, काफी आपको G, A and B में आराम से मिल जाएगा. Because normally film songs and all you will find it in B. So बहुत तेज, I mean fast songs, please don't listen, because there should be a calming effect. So you can hear something, even if you are hearing something at, as I told you, E pitch, because here, as I told you, all the nadis are connected. You want some relief in your stress, in your worries or something, you want to have a music, you can select E pitch में जो download किए हैं, that also will help with your all parts of your body. Not necessary that you have to bear with, because B वगैरह ना बहुत ऊपर रहेगा. So सुनने में कभी-कभी as a senior citizens we have problem with our neuro system. उतना ज़्यादा थोड़ा weak रह जाता है, इसलिए we cannot put up with the high pitch. So listening to in E pitch helps to tackle, because it's in the middle of the, I mean almost in the middle of the body. Whole body system gets relief when you listen something which is at G pitch. Or आप better, always better is when you evoke the resonance from within yourself. That is the best, because the vibration and resonance coming from you are activating something from within, the strength of your own body you are using to evoke the sound, and that is the best, because in that way the circulation improves, the oxygen supply to all part of the body improves, everything happens, all the panchavayu at working, everything improves beautifully when you evoke sound from within yourself, because you are not taking anything from outside, it's coming from inside. It can be anything, it can be any, as I said, it can be chanting, it can be music, it can be only la 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 la, whatever it is. If you feel that is going to help you, go with it, absolutely no problem. Only the position of the body you have to remember, where you need, which place you want to improve. You got some ajirna, digestion se problem hai, go little where on the Manipura se thoda niche, because stomach में food is gathered and पूरा mix हो जाता है, जैसे वो mixture में mix होता है, लेकिन actual digestion process and the absorption of the digestion happens in little lower, what we call as a नीचे की तरफ, मणिपुरा चक्र में नीचे की तरफ, और स्वादिष्ठाना के चक्र के little above. So this is how this your, अगर संगीत का ज्ञान है, you want to have the lower part, especially the excretory system to be this thing, nothing like कोमल स्वर. हमेशा याद रखिए, कोई भी अगर आपको राग से परिचित है, तो कोमल स्वर helps in bringing more calmness, relaxation, and keeping you under a condition where you can be shant. जो शुद्ध स्वर है, they actually activate. Suppose you are feeling very dull, you are depressed, you want to just don't feel like getting up, doing any work, you're feeling very, feeling low. And that time you want to get yourself activated. Listen to ragas where we have Shuddha. So, Jesse Bilaval, Shankara Varnam. Very good. It actually helps in evoking your upward mobility. Todi, what we call it as, that actually helps Darbari Kannada, Todi or Malkhaus, all these things will actually help in cooling down, calming the thing. So there are ragas like this, many. So this is the way ragas help you. Morning ragas helps in giving the alertness to the mind, brain cells. If you are listening to Carnatic music, nothing like Bauli. Shriman Narayana, Shriman Narayana. This is Bauli, which helps in the early morning feeling. It gives sunrise, like Venkatesha Suprabhadam, that gives. So similarly, the early morning. As comes, there is a afternoon ragas. We have got which helps in our digestion process. In which after music we get this thing. If you want to burn your fasting sugar, you are going for the walk and you are listening to some music. Kindly listen to Bilahari, which is Carnatic music, or Aleva Bilaval which is actually induces Veera Rasa, which will improve your metabolic rate because you'll start walking little faster. This I'm telling after a good feedback I'm getting. So along with your medicines, always chronic diseases, you have to take the medicines. But along with that, not to go more worse condition. These are the songs which helps you to Veera Rasa Raga, definitely helps in improving your fasting sugar metabolic rate, so that when you're walking, listen to it. So you can note down Alaiva Bilaval, Rag, usme based film song. If you want to listen, you can download, you can Google search. Bilahari Ragam, what we call it in Hindi, in Carnatic music. So these are the which can help. So there are various chronic diseases you want to handle. For that, everything has got a different ragas. I think time construction, I am not able to tell you more deep into at this short while. I think I overpassed the time also. Sorry, Mohitji. I'm sorry. I think I had taken more time.
Vidushi, we still have another 10 odd minutes to go.
I'm Rajam Shankar, yeah, Vidushi.
Rajam Shankar.
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. So sorry.
No problem.
Rajamji, Hanji, so we still have another 10 minutes to go.
If anybody wants to have any clarification, I can give that. That's why I will use this 10 minutes so that anybody.
If so, can I request you to remove your screen so that then...
Yeah. Ma'am, how to enhance or improve the pitch of your voice?
Pitch of the voice. How?
Yes.
From which place you want to improve that? Where is your pitch normally?
Just mediocre.
That is in the lower part of your body?
Oh, yes.
So you just take a breath and take it. Try to do that. Whatever is your pitch. Just.
Okay.
Give me a sample.
No. What did you say about arrrr? So how does it also improve the pitch?
Yes, of course, because it's coming from the lower part of the body, and it actually vocal cords are connected to this place, and you are working with the Vishuddhi chakra.
Right.
It also helps definitely. Even for the small children, that's why we imaginary motorcycle, so that their words formation are more clear. And they are able to speak well. They say that many children, you might have seen that they have difficulty pronouncing rakara nahi aata. They will say da for that. So instead of da, we say that, yeah.
So what about the morning alap, where we can improve this in the morning?
Yeah, you take it from the lower part. Always take it from the lower.
Okay.
So what you want to sing in the morning? What comes to you? You want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Morning raga?
I'm not aware of any raga, but still I love singing, but my pitch is very low.
Maybe. Oh, no problem. Always in music therapy, the lower the pitch, better the therapy.
Oh.
Always it should come from the inside. It's very good. I'm very happy that you're able to evoke sound from your lower part of your body.
I just give you one.
हाँ,
दिन डूबा तुम याद आए। इसमें जब थोड़ा सा ऊपर चला जाता है तो वो नहीं हो पाता, तो नीचे रह जाता।
that's very good. Actually, I say that आप जो कर रहे हैं, it's very good because that's how always one thing, Sohan ji, the lower part जितना अपना healthy रहा, the body is 70% healthy because lower part में we have got digestive, we have got excretory system, and these two अगर correct work कर रहा है तो we are healthy to a large extent. That's why the lower, आप तो बहुत भाग्यशाली है, you are able to put that lower part. कुछ लोग तो यहाँ से नीचे जा ही नहीं पाते हैं. I have difficulty in telling people go down, go down.
Right.
आप इसको धीरे से ना ये करके ओम से उठाइए, आएगा. देखिए आप नीचे से वो करिए, ऊपर उठाइए. Yes, ये practice will help improve your voice.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
It will help.
Thank you so much.
Madam,
Madam, I just want to say, when my director says that when you're raising pitch,
माधुरी जी आपकी आवाज
then your voice breaks. Okay, what should I do?
Don't go beyond your capacity.
Yeah.
से ज़्यादा push मत कीजिए because that will actually harm your tissues inside.
Yeah.
Don't go up if it is not permitting you, please.
No. While I practice for 3-4 times, then it comes to the level what she expects.
आप जरा एक बार बताइए कहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
कोई गाना बताओ.
आप बताइए.
मैं कह रहा हूँ पिच में जब खींचता हूँ ऊपर, don't do that.
लगाओ ना, ये दुनिया उसी की लुटा जो
रमैया बता भैया मैंने दिल तुझको दिया, मैंने दिल तुझको.
That's beautiful, हाँ.
अच्छा मैं गा रहा हूँ आपके सामने, सुनिए. ये दुनिया उसी की, ज़माना उसी का, मोहब्बत में जो हो गया हो किसी का. ये दुनिया उसी की, ज़माना उसी का, मोहब्बत में जो हो गया हो किसी का, है सजदे के काबिल पर वो दीवाना के जो बन गया. अब आगे ना हो.
मत कीजिए. Don't push. ये this will damage your vocal cords.
Okay, what should I do?
No, आप और नीचे से गाइएगा या उतना ऊपर वाला आप उसको नीचे की तरफ से गाइए ना.
जो बन गया हो तस्वीरें जाना, करो एहतमाम उसकी Okay. Better because there is no point in pushing yourself beyond your comfort level, क्योंकि इससे अंदर ये जो टिश्यू से डैमेज हो जाते हैं. नहीं, ये बोल रही है कि आप उसको वॉइस को लो कर लेते हो, तो वो तो वॉइस लो होगा ना जब आप नीचे के.
नो वॉइस लो नहीं होगा, टोन
लो होगा. That's all.
क्योंकि बोलते हैं कि टोन थोड़ा एक टोन नीचे लो तो ये वॉल्यूम कम कर देते हैं.
नहीं, टोन आप कम कीजिए. आप जैसे बोल रहे हैं ना, वॉल्यूम मत कम कीजिए, टोन कम कीजिए, क्योंकि कंफर्ट लेवल से आप अगर ज्यादा पुश करेंगे, it will actually damage your inner tissues. It is not आपका बोलने में तकलीफ हो जाएगी.
मामरी साहब लो पिच वाले गाने प्रेफर करिए और लो पिच से स्टार्ट करिए.
एग्जैक्टली यही प्रॉब्लम हमारी भी है.
हाँ तो लो पिच से स्टार्ट करिए. वन शुड नॉट एक्सर्ट.
यस करेक्ट.
नहीं मैं
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था. हेलो मैडम. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि देखिए सभी रागों के टाइम निर्धारित हैं।
हाँ।
और वैसे आपने बताया कि मॉर्निंग के राग भैरवी और भैरव पे आधारित होते हैं
जी।
तो अब अभी दिन भर तो इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजा नहीं सकता, तो ऐसा कुछ जनरल तरीका हो सकता है कि जैसे इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाने का टाइम तो कोई फिक्स ही होता है, हर का मॉर्निंग होगा या इवनिंग का होगा, तो ऐसा कोई हो सकता है कि मतलब ऐसा कुछ हो जाए कि सभी चक्रास कवर हो जाए?
Actually, Bhairav is a rag which is actually covers up all the chakras beautifully. And another one, as I told you, Shuddha, सब शुद्ध स्वर है, वो है बिलावल।
जी।
बिलावल आप दोपहर को गा सकते हैं, शाम को गा सकते हैं। It is actually no problem at all because it works with the Vyana Vayu. All over the body, it takes distributes the energy beautifully.
Right.
That is, and similarly, जैसे सब में कोमल भैरवी में
तो कभी कभी भैरवी गाने और इन जनरल जो है वो बिलावल प्रेफर करें।
बिलावल अगर आपको जरा जोश वाला काम करना है तो बिलावल ले लीजिए, अगर आपको रिलैक्स्ड कामिंग रहना है तो आप भैरवी गा लीजिए।
ठीक, थैंक यू।
मैडम, technically speaking, what as a paramedical man, what I know is the pineal gland.
Yeah.
And second is thymus.
Yes.
And third is pancreas, and fourth is Mooladhara. If they are in uniform,
yes,
you can sing better.
That is what I said. No, all that's what I was telling.
But the pineal gland has to be relaxed one.
Yes, the pineal gland. That's why I said when you are saying यहाँ पर जहाँ से अगर balance रहा, automatically everything is aligned and balanced.
Yeah, right.
That is. That will.
मैं तो हमेशा नीचे के स्वर से गाती हूँ।
Can we have the ladies and gentlemen, can we have the questions one by one? Because all of you. So, okay, coming to Ratna ji.
Okay.
Yeah. कह रही हूँ मैं तो हमेशा नीचे स्वर से गाती हूँ क्योंकि मैं ऊंचा स्वर नहीं ले सकती ज्यादा। नीचे से ही गाती हूँ।
अच्छा है।
आवाज फटने लगेगी ऊपर से गाएंगे।
नहीं, आप नीचे से गाइएगा। एक उम्र के बाद नीचे से गाना ही ज्यादा थेरेपेटिक है बिकॉज दैट एक्चुअली
ऊंची आवाज नहीं ले सकते।
मूलाधार जो है, जैसे मैंने बताया था, मूलाधार एक्चुअली हेल्प्स विद आवर लिम्स आल्सो। तो अगर आप नीचे से गाएंगे तो द नी पेन जो है उसमें बहुत फायदा होगा। आप लोअर द नोट्स, मूलाधार के ऊपर आप ज्यादा काम करेंगे, दैट हेल्प्स रियली लॉट ऑफ पीपल। आई हैव ब्रॉट देम आउट ऑफ नी पेन।
आजकल मोहा पे मैं ज्यादा गाने गा रही हूँ तो मेरा बहुत ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है।
नहीं, आप कीजिएगा थोड़ा सा।
I am in good health.
So Rajam ji, in fact, we want to start some music classes, and now what I'm seeing is that everybody seems to be asking you more about the music rather than this. So now I know the music class is definitely needed.
Okay.
I know somehow music.
More happy.
थोड़ा म्यूजिक जानती हूँ मैं, बचपन से सीखा है।
हाँ जी।
Karan Sharma, I'll just come to you.
Okay.
Acha, I'd like to ask you one question. That is, in my young age, I could sing. So after that, I developed asthma problem. So say about 15-20 years, I suffered from asthma problem, and then my voice also became husky type. Yeah. Now I don't have that husky voice. And in Imoha, I find people are singing. So I also feel like singing. So what should how I develop that again, which I had earlier.
हमेशा एक और चीज मैं आपको बताती हूँ। देखिए, to experience where the place is, आप जब खांसेंगे, when you try to cough and you see there is a cooling sensation below your belly, that is the place which is connected to the vocal cords. तो आप वहां पर हाथ रख के आप एक बार खांस के देखिए कहाँ पर फील होता है आपको पेन।
आजम जी,
नीचे below the navel you will feel a place where it is getting pulled. वहां पर अगर आप ओंकार करेंगे, your voice will open up because it is connected to the vocal cords, and that's how voice becomes stronger, and in fact it helps with whole
वहां से वहां जो नाड़ी की जो कनेक्टिविटी है, तो इसलिए जब खांसते हैं तो देखिए वहां से आप वो जगह को आप नोट कर लीजिए। वहां से अभी जैसा मेरा ये यहाँ पर है ना, that place I am putting my finger and it goes inside. That means it's working with my vocal cords. It's helping with my thyroid and vocal. This is how you improve your thyroid because it's connected to the tissue. आप करके देखिए, आ जाए।
करके देखा, yes it is working.
Okay, राजम जी।
हाँ जी कनल शर्मा।
Okay.
बोलिए।
राजम जी, I am on the other side of the hill.
हाँ।
I sing in very high notes because those songs are peppy and they get along well with the crowd. Little bit party singing which one does. Because वो lower note वाले गाने बोले यार क्या यार sad वाले गाने, तो मैं आपको example भी दे सकता हूँ, and then you will have to tell me is it okay? Yeah, I must change my singing pattern and selection of.
नहीं बोलिए ना, गाइए।
ओके, मैं आपको सुनाता हूँ। जैसे देखो, तेरा जाना दिल के अरमानों का लुट जाना, कोई देखे बन के तकदीरों का मिट जाना, तेरा जाना।
Beautiful. It is actually upward mobility because you are on the other side of the hill. You need more Agni Tattva to keep your body more agile. तो इसके लिए आपको ऐसे गाना ही, आप जैसे गा रहे हैं ना, तो नीचे से जैसे तेरा जाना, आप जैसे नीचे से ऊपर उठा रहे हैं, एक्चुअली यू आर इवोकिंग द अग्नि तत्व।
Okay.
अग्नि तत्व को आप नीचे से ऊपर उठा रहे हैं, which is very necessary, especially if you are in a cold place, cold country. तो इसीलिए आप जो गा रहे हैं पक्का बहुत करेक्ट है।
Very good. ठीक है, तो I must continue. There no need to change the meaning.
No change, not at all. एक दिन हम महफिल बनाएंगे, आप भी गाइए, मैं भी आपके साथ
प्रॉब्लम है,
मैं गा लूंगी आपके साथ।
मैडम हमारी भी
Right, we'll take the last.
या बोलिए।
Thank you.
वेलकम।
मैं बात कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ जी, last question we'll take here now. Anybody? हाँ जी, and I'll just see if anybody else new who's left who wants to ask.
मैं एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ। एक गाना है I love it very much, लेकिन इसकी जो सेकंड लाइन होती है इतनी पिच नीचे चली जाती है, it doesn't become audible. वो है तो मतवारे तिहारे हम पर जुल्म करें, हम पर जुल्म करें, नैनों में रहें तो सुध बुध खोए। वो जो नैनों में रहें, वो गाना समटाइम्स आई कांट सिंग दैट।
नो, आप ऐसे अगर आप एक्चुअली यू आर इवोकिंग द रेजोनेंस फ्रॉम द मूलाधारा. This is very good.
Oh, okay.
It is actually strengthening your मूलाधारा, base. वो बेस में जा रहा है ना.
But it doesn't become audible.
कोई बात नहीं, ऑडिबल क्या, आपको आपकी तबीयत से ये संबंध रखना चाहिए. Why should you be worried? You sing so that, in fact, इतना लो जाना बहुत अच्छी बात है, because you are more strengthening your मूलाधारा.
Okay.
More like it's a foundation. जितना strong अपना foundation उतना अच्छा हम बढ़ा सकते हैं.
Thank you.
Health will be much more stronger. No fear.
Thank you so much.
Right, the last question we'll take. Nirmal ji, you wanted to ask.
Yeah, actually my wife wanted to ask. Okay.
बोलिए.
मैडम, मेरे को आई एम हैविंग डायबिटीज फॉर सम टाइम और मॉर्निंग रीडिंग्स थोड़ी सी हाई रहती हैं, तो क्या मैं ऐसी कोई राग या ऐसे जिसको गा के या सुन के वो थोड़ा कम हो सकता है?
हाँ, मैंने वही आपको बताया था कि 2-3 राग मैंने नाम भी लिए थे, तो यू कैन डू. हाँ, यू कैन डू एक्चुअली बिलावल, यू कैन डाउनलोड.
ओके.
शंकराभरणम, जो हम कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक शंकराभरणम बोलते हैं, मेजर स्केल in Western music, major scale. This is the rag usually will find playing in the gym में या aerobics में उसमें, because that actually improves the metabolic rate. Usually you will find this Bilawal rag based or major scale based songs in beats what they are using. क्योंकि that actually helps them in वो गाना है ना, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, that is बिलावल. आप गाइए या तो सुनिए गाइए, this is the easy one. And आप गाते गाते चलिएगा, देखिए क्या फर्क पड़ता है आपको. Really, I'm telling you, it actually helps because this is the song rag. Usually, Bilaval is a rag which they use in gym and normal gym and aerobics में जो background music बनाते हैं beats के साथ. That is mainly to help the body to work a little more and the metabolic rate to go little up. But as senior citizens, we have to be careful कितना दूर हम जा सकते हैं.
I'll try to listen and sing for sure.
Yeah. This one आपसे हर घड़ी बदल से आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा. You can listen it in instrument. You can listen. You can sing along.
हमारी भी सुन लीजिए प्लीज मैडम. एक बात हमारी सुन लीजिए प्लीज.
ऋतु से परमिशन पूछ लीजिएगा.
अच्छा.
चलिए आंटी, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. लास्ट we'll take it. कोई बात नहीं. लास्ट क्वेश्चन आप लीजिए मोना आंटी, then we'll close.
हमारा ये भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम भामरी जी ने जो बताया कि जब हाई गाते हैं तो फिर हम धीमा अपनी वॉल्यूम कम करते. रमैया बतावैया, रमैया बतावैया, मैंने दिल तुझको दिया, मैंने दिल तुझको दिया, ओ रमैया. उसके बाद याद आती रही, यहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो जाता है.
नहीं, you take it
from low. याद आती रही, दिल दुखाती रही, अपने मन को मनाना ना आए. ऐसे गाए, मोटा गाए. अच्छा, यही नहीं समझ में आया.
ऐसा नहीं, आप जितना नीचे गाएंगे आपका हेल्थ और अच्छा रहेगा. Always the notes which vibrates the lower part of the body more stronger.
That is why my digestion is poor. Because
देखिएगा, now you sing it from the lower part of your body, your digestion will improve. आप ऐसे गाइए. रमैया बतावैया, रमैया बतावैया,
मैंने दिल तुझको दिया.
और नीचे पेट से गाइए, पेट से. रमैया बतावैया. That actually will improve your digestion. I am telling you.
Okay.
क्योंकि आपको प्रॉब्लम
रमैया बतावैया, रमैया बतावैया.
So अब ये सारी प्रैक्टिस घर पे अब ये सब कुछ
तो ये गाते. तेरा जाना दिल के अरमानों का लुट जाना.
आप नीचे गाइए. तेरा जाना दिल से, ऐसे गाइएगा.
Okay, I will try. Thank you ma'am, thank you.
ऋतु
कोई जाने वाला नहीं है लगता है, कोई जाने वाला
नहीं. This was the last thing and yes, this was the last. Sanjana, if we can just mute everyone now except Rajam ji and me now. Rajam ji, you'll have to open up your mic. Once, Hanji. So, I'm cutting short.
Classes conduct कर लूँगी, no problem. Arrange कर लो.
In fact, I was just going to suggest that only because both the things together are really, really helpful. Music is always something which everybody enjoys, and here we keep getting everyone to sing. जो नहीं भी गाते हैं, धीरे-धीरे गाना शुरू कर देते हैं, and a lot of them are already singers. But if it's going to benefit their health, then 100% I think we should go into this. And in fact, a few days back also we were talking about some classes and they said, "Hame kya karna hai?" But now there is a reason for them to be learning. Yes, so definitely we will look into it and I'll get back to you on this, Rajam ji.
Sure.
So thank you so much for such an insightful session. I think सबको पता है म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा है, पर जिस तरह आपने इसको मंत्रास के साथ जोड़ा है, सारे हमारे उनके साथ कुंडलियों के साथ जोड़ा है, that was absolutely amazing. And the fact that our health can improve, lot of our problems can go away by that is something which is absolutely marvelous. So एक साउंड जैसे आपने बोला कि इसका डिफरेंट इफेक्ट होता है बॉडी के ऊपर और एक बहुत सूदिंग एंड कामिंग इफेक्ट होता है. मतलब इट वाज रियली रियली समथिंग. आई थिंक हम सबकी नॉलेज आज बहुत ज्यादा वो हो गई है, एंड इट वाज मतलब स्ट्रेस भी निकल रहा है, हेल्थ भी इम्प्रूव हो रही है. So we can't be thankful enough to you for coming here and explaining all this and with so much of patience. And I know now lot of all those who ask the questions, who have been into singing and all, for them also it is extremely good that whatever they are doing has been helping them as such. Yeah. And also along with you, I need to thank Mohit from City Book Leaders. I did not say much in the initial time about City Book Leaders. In fact, I just have to thank him for curating this wonderful show. Santana has been in touch with Mohit only. So just to let everyone know, City Book Leaders is a very unique platform where thought leaders and society shapers, they speak their heart out by reviewing a book that has inspired them throughout their lives and has shaped their perspectives. So this is again something which is like here also we have these kind of meetings and all that, but एक particular book पे आना और उनके पूरे उस पे review करना is something which is a very beautiful way of looking at things and the lessons that we learn and how it kind of changes our life. So we look forward to more such sessions with City Book Leaders also here, wherein probably somebody can come and talk about how their life has shaped up after reading a particular book. And of course, Rajamji, today this session has been absolutely amazing and wonderful. And आपने शायद comments पढ़े होंगे of how the elders have really found it so knowledgeable and so good.
Let me read it.
Oh, okay. I'll give you.
Yeah. I'm just going to.
Please do.
Yeah. It's beautiful. I'm so thankful. Really wonderful. So I'm very happy that you all liked it and given me a chance to share my whatever I know a little bit.
नहीं, and जैसे आपने समझाया भी ना, मतलब like कई बार बहुत complicated हो जाती हैं चीजें because आप लोगों की knowledge इतनी होती है, when you try to impart it, it becomes too much. But the way you have explained it, I think everybody here has understood exactly because each part was very well defined and well explained. So thank you so much once again, Rajamji, and wonderful to have you. And I hope to have more sessions with you here on this More TV platform. And of course, I'm coming back to you for the music classes also.
Sure. That's what I was about to say. That if they want, I can have
100%.
Chakras, because mainly at this age, understanding of the chakras and getting connected is more necessary.
True.
That's what is the thing. So no problem at all. I'm always there, Ritu.
Thank you so much, Rajan. And thank you so much, everyone. I will just end with a few lines. सूरज ने दिया जग को आधार, संगीत ने दिया धरती को आधार, और मंत्रों ने दिया जीवन को आधार. And what you had to say, Rajamji, so आपने दिया है हमारे इमोहा के elders को, पूरा एक consolidated सा जो आपने आधार दिया है, पूरा एक समझाया है, पूरा उनका जीवन जैसे like इसमें क्या कहते हैं जुड़ सा जाएगा, तो बहुत उनके लिए beneficial रहेगा. So thank you so much once again. And Mohit, I don't know, I can't see.
He left. He had some work.
Okay. So a big thank you to Mohit also. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now I will see you all tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock sharp for a physiotherapy show. Afternoon, we have a session with a doctor wherein we explain the emergency services and how it's taken care of. 4 p.m. we have a dietitian show, and 5 p.m. of course we meet you all with something new. But just to tell you, a lot of circulars have been passed about the trip to Maldives and all. A lot of queries were coming in. So tomorrow we have all of them coming to answer all your questions and explain more about it. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Please keep singing.